I like to do pre-trip preps.
Happy birthday.
Secured the bag. Let's pack together. We decided to go hiking. So out of shape. Good morning, guys. Look at my skin. It's been peeling like crazy. No, I'm just kidding. I put some aloe vera on my face and it's been helping my skin a lot. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I feel like my skin has improved so much and I feel like the aloe vera has been helping the inflammation. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this off. But today we have a really fun quest. We are gonna go on an adventure this weekend. And first of all, before I go on any kind of adventure, I like to do like pre-trip preps, and one of that includes doing my eyebrows. I bought this kit like last year, so let's see if this works, but I bought an eyebrow lamination kit. In my head, I'm like, if my eyebrows are done, I can bring less products and I look good throughout the day and night when I'm hanging out with my friends. So we're gonna do my eyebrows. We're gonna perm them and laminate them a little bit because my eyebrows in the front, they grow like straight down and I hate that. I use so much eyebrow gel to like fluff them back up, but sometimes it just doesn't hold because my hairs are so stubborn. And while we do that, I also really want to do my nails, but I don't know if I have time because it's currently 12 and I gotta get out of here by 3. So I have a lot to do. But yeah, we're going to SLO for the weekend because it's my boyfriend's birthday tomorrow and we want to do something really fun for him. And I really feel bad for him because the last like it's been almost 9 months now. I told you guys I've been really sick and I just haven't been feeling like myself. And so I was kind of scared to go on another trip like this, but I'm trying to tell myself I'll be okay. And hopefully I'll be okay because I've been getting a lot of anxiety about going on trips lately. I don't know, it's so unlike me, but something really like changed when I got sick. So yeah, we're gonna go to SLO and hopefully we'll have the best time of our life. Okay, first of all, you're supposed to glue your brows into place. I'm just gonna really focus on the front. Do you see how my eyebrows just grow like straight down? I don't know why it does that. So I'm gonna comb some glue through my eyebrows. And I also have a cowlick on this eyebrow. I literally get that from my grandpa. So I'm gonna let that sit. Kind of like the most important part. You wanna make sure that you kind of glue your eyebrows in the position that you want it to be permed. I used to perm my own eyelashes all the time. I kind of want to do it again, but at the same time, my eyelashes were so fried. Like it was so damaged, but my eyelashes look good all the time, so. How does that look? Also, to preface, this is not a tutorial. I am not a professional. I have no idea what I'm doing. This is probably like literally the worst way to do this, but this is what I've been doing. So hopefully it comes out good. I don't want the electrocuted vibes. I just want like a lifted, chill vibe where I don't need to use brow gel. And once they're set into a position where you like it, you're gonna get the saran wrap and saran wrap your eyebrows. Yippee! So you sit like this for like 6 to 10 minutes and then you come back and then do the fixation and then take it off and I'll show you guys what it looks like.
I'm scared.
This is one of the things that I do before my trips to keep myself low maintenance on the trip so I don't have to pack as much, think as much, or do as much when I'm out and about and not at home. You know what I'm saying? What is it called? It's like high maintenance things to keep you low maintenance. Is that what it is? High maintenance things. No, wait, yes, right? I don't know, something like that. And while we keep this on our face, I still have not packed and we have like 2 hours. So I'm gonna bring my trusty duffel bag. Oh my gosh, there's already tons of stuff in here. Okay, this is a duffel bag that I always bring. Glossier sent this to me and I don't know, it's just so convenient and it's like the perfect size for my traveling trips. Oh, I've been looking for this, but let's pack together. Don't forget to bring multiple socks. I'm only there for like 2 days, but 2 days equals like 1 extra sock for each day. Don't forget to pack pads just in case, you never know what happens. And I also always bring an air tag just to make sure my duffel bag never gets lost. It's gonna be a little chilly. SLO is always like really like beachy, so I'm thinking like I have these tiny shorts, but I don't think I'll be able to wear something like this. I'm gonna go see if I can find some winter clothes. Okay, moment of truth. not bad. Okay. That would have been like $100 at the salon. And I know you're not supposed to put water on it, but I don't really care if it lasts too long or not. I just need something to kind of take it off. I'm just gonna use a little bit of toner. Just take off all of the glue in the product because I definitely don't want that sitting there. And I know you're not supposed to put makeup on it for 24 hours, but again, I don't really need it to last too long. I just need it to last like a few days. Okay guys, I took a shower. I know I'm not supposed to shower with my brows, but I honestly think that the perming solution was like too old, so I don't think anything happened, but we gotta get going. I did not get to do my nails, but got my brows done, showered, and now we're gonna head out. But we're gonna get ready really fast, and since it's getting really dark, I don't even think I could film on the road. Hopefully the next time I see you, we're there in SLO. I'll see you on the flip side. Oh, and quick little life hack is when I'm going on a trip, I always pack my makeup as I'm doing it, so that way I don't forget any part of my routine, because if you just pack it and you're gonna be like, oh my god, I forgot a concealer, I just packed my concealer right after I finished. Secured the bag. Our road trip essential. Our first stop in SLO. Walking around downtown SLO during Christmas time. Yippee! It's my crib.
The hour, it does the entire Hope to Joy song.
Wait, that actually looks so yummy. Hi guys, today we're just gonna explore the area. Look at how pretty this is. And we just like walking around. I love how everything here is like a really walkable, slow town. And like the nature is so pretty. Next we're going to the library. To come into the bathroom because my friends keep making fun of me every time I film. So here's an outfit of the day. We're just exploring. The shoes. I love this town. It's like super like old timey, but like very, I don't know, like modern century. I don't know, but it's really nice and I'm having so much fun. I want to look for a California quail here. Doot, doot, doot. Hey guys, we're back with another food taste test. This is nitrogen ice cream.
Not the Oreo.
Wow, that looks so good. Chilling at home for the rest of the night because no one wants to go out. Hordos. Happy birthday.
With the real lighter.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Stargazing. This is beautiful. Stargazing. Another day of me in the bathroom because I'm too scared to film in public. I feel like it's so embarrassing to film in front of my friends and like filming in public in general without my sister. Here is another outfit of the day. I'm wearing this vest that my mom got me for Christmas and I really love it. It matches all my outfits. It's keeping me warm. And somebody came. That was so embarrassing. We're just gonna hang out today and vibe. We decided to go hiking and it's so steep. I'm in my sambas and my sweats and the vest that I'm not even prepared to go hiking with. But look at the view. I'm so out of breath. I'm so out of shape.
Oh my god.
Where are the quails? I want to look for the California quails. Where are the California quails? Oh, that's all I want to see are the quails. They're like, they have this little cute little like umbrella thing on their head. I want to see that. See, mountain lion habitat. Mountain lion habitat. You are here.
Mountain lions are quiet, solitary, and elusive, and typically avoid people by nature.
I have nightmares about mountain lions. Where are you, quails? I don't see you. I don't see any of them. This view is nice. Not a quail.
Oh, whoa.
There's a turkey. More turkeys. Whoa. Not quails. Look at how cute that is. Another bathroom update. It's the end of my day. We're gonna drive home now. I just ate Firestone like 3 or 4 times on this trip because that's like the best sandwiches that they have. We're ready to go. Oh my god. See, I get scared when I feel in public, but here we go. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye.